What's up, guys? Here's a quick video. Someone wanted to know how I'm using my GoPro accessories to get this mounted on the front of my Shoei. This is what you need for your GoPro front mount. You need one of these mounts here. You need one of these elbows, little joints. It goes straight, notice that. It doesn't have like the weird 90-degree halfway bend thing. You need two of these little screws. Of course, your GoPro holder thing, and then your GoPro. So this, set it in like that, and it keeps it straight. See, and this one goes in here. Oh snap. So yeah, just keep it simple. None too crazy. I could definitely do this one-handed. Alright. Shit. Hold on. This is a pretty hefty mount, so I still like it a lot. I'll just put it up like that. And this points perfectly straight. So I butt it up against that, and it's always pointing where I want it to. So that's the Hell's mount for you. All you need is just one mount, one elbow, and then just a GoPro holder. Pretty simple.